Hey guys, today I am going to kind of go over my brainstorming and plans for what I'm going to do with this YouTube channel, or at least what I'm going to be doing in the near future with it. Um, so I'm going to be documenting my journey like Gary Vaynerchuk says to do. And I was thinking that one of the first things I'm going to do is a series of like 30-day or 60-day challenges, um, in which I record a video every day while I am changing a habit or learning a skill. So it will keep me accountable and I'll be documenting the journey, and hopefully it can help you guys with changing your own habits or learning new skills and such. So I'm thinking that the first one I'm going to do is like a 30-day challenge where I do a video every day while I'm building my new morning routine that I have started but off and on too much. So I need to get with it and do it consistently. I'm going to be starting that, and I'm thinking since it's the end of March, a few days left, that I might actually start that challenge on April 1st. So the April 1st starts the first challenge. And that will be building my new morning routine. This is going to include routine, will include both affirmations and stretching, drinking water. Let's see. And yeah, there will probably be a few more little things that I'll add in there and such. But one of the most important pieces to this is the affirmations, because I realize I'm not going to be able to change my habits as well as I'd like until I change my beliefs. I have a lot of limiting beliefs, and I'm just now starting to really like dig into that part of myself and my self-development, and something that I need to work on a lot so that I can change my life and improve for the better like I want to so much. So this is going to be like one of the biggest indicators here. And on another note, I'm going to pursue getting therapy, getting some professional help with some of this stuff, because it'll make it a lot easier and, I mean, just better in general to have a professional's help with fixing some of this mindset thing, and I mean, just dealing with all the things that I have in general with my mental illness, anxiety and depression, OCD. I also have Tourette's syndrome, which is a very interesting disorder to have. So there's that. So this is what I'm thinking of doing with this channel coming up here. I will probably want to make at least a couple of the videos as more of a what I'm learning and how I'm going to be building the like affirmations and such, you know, taking hints from the experts who have done it before, and show you guys what I'm learning and such like that. I think it could be a really cool journey, so you can follow me on my journey to better, which is the name of my old blog. Is that a journey to better .weebly.com. I should like work on that more. So yeah, come on a journey to better with me. Let's do this.